So Peter was kept in prison, but the church was earnestly praying to God for him. The night before Herod was to bring him to trial, Peter was sleeping between the soldiers, bound with 2 chains. And sentries stood guard at the entrance. Suddenly an angel of the Lord appeared, and the light shone in the cell. He struck Peter on the side and woke him up. Quickly, get up, he said. And the chains fell off Peter's wrists. Then the angel said to him, put on your clothes and sandals. And Peter did so. Wrap your cloak around and follow me, the angel told him. Verse 10. They passed the first and second guard and came into the iron gate leading to the city. It opened for them by itself. Wow. And they went through it, and they had walked, when they had walked the length of one street, suddenly the angel left him. Then Peter came to himself and said, now I know without a doubt that the Lord has sent his angel and rescued me from Herod's blood and from everything the Jewish people were hoping would happen. Siyabonga babizwe lakho libusise egameni lika Jesu. Amen. Uma sibuka abazalwane this account noma mhlambe sithi ukuhlehla kancane siye kwi-Old Testament. There is a man eyayibizwa ngokuthi Hezekiah. Hezekiah was a king and a mighty man eyayisetshenziswa uNkulunkulu kakhulu. Lithi iBhayibheli kwafika isikhathi la khona uNkulunkulu wasethi isikhathi sakho sesiphelile, put your house in order for you are about to die. And lithi iBhayibheli waphuma Isaiah